Hello and welcome to Richland Community Library's Beanstack Registration Summer Reading Tutorial. The first thing you're going to want to do is either download the Beanstack Tracker app or head to our website. From our website, you will be able to go to this summer reading banner. Go ahead and click on it. Now you can go to the kids and families, teens or adults. On their page, go ahead and look for the registration button. This will bring you to our Beanstack website. From here, you can either sign in to your account if you have a Beanstack Tracker account, or you can register an individual or family. If you don't have a previous account, go ahead and click No. Now it's going to ask you if you want to register yourself or register an adult registering a child. Go ahead and click on the adult registering a child. From here, you're going to put in the adult information first. Now it's time to put in your child's information. The next page is going to show you the different challenges we have. We have our summer reading challenge that you can pre-register for, and you can also register for the 1,000 books before kindergarten. We're going to go ahead and register for the Youth Summer Challenge. This shows that you've earned a free book and a badge. Your book can be picked up at the Children's Circulation Desk. Go ahead and click Next. Here is where you can add more children. If your child is in 6th grade and is 11 years old, they have a choice between the Youth Summer Challenge and the Teen Summer Challenge. Please go ahead and pick one of these challenges. This also shows that you've earned a badge and that you can pick up a free book at the Children's Circulation Desk. Go ahead and click Next. If you don't have any other children to add, go ahead and click No. This is going to ask you if you'd like to register yourself in our adult program. You may do so, or you may choose not to. This will bring you to your main page of the challenge. To go from child to child, you go up to the right-hand corner. This allows you to easily switch between children. If you've downloaded the app, hit the Let's Go. You're going to have to look for your library. Let's find it. So type in Richland Community Library. And hit Search. Check on the one that says Michigan. We're going to click down at the bottom to say Sign Up. Have you used it before? No. This is where you're going to create your account. You can do this as a family and then add readers later, or you can do this as an individual account. This is going to ask for the personal information. If you're doing a family, go ahead and enter the adult information. From here, you can fill out the reader profile information or add a reader. You do not have to upload a photo. Now all you have to do is hit the register button and hit hit the register button again. And continue. This will bring you to the reader's profile. Now you can either add another reader or say that you're done with the readers. If you have any questions or problems, please visit the Children's Circulation Desk. Currently our challenge is not open. It does open June 20th. We hope to see you here this summer.